PU continuous sandwich panel line consists of decoiling, filming and pre-cutting, roll forming, glue spraying, preheating, foaming, double belt heating, double curing, bandsaw cutting, cooling, stacking and packing system. This production line adopts advanced roll forming technology and polyurethane chemical foaming technology, composite conveying technology, servo control technology, variable frequency vector technology, hydraulic control technology, and automatic stacking technology from both domestic and international sources. Production speed ranges from 2-10 m/min stepless adjustable according to steel sheet forming requirements, with an annual production capacity of up to 1 million square meters. Molding machine roller is made of high-quality CR12 MOV steel. After CNC finishing, the surface is plated with hard chromium to achieve high surface hardness, good surface finish, good sheet forming quality, and no damage to the paint. Double belt temperature control system adopts hot air circulation heat. After being heated by the heating device, the circulating air is sent to the heating duct by the fan for heating the upper and lower belt panels at constant speed. Through the belt panels, the composite panels are heated to make the foaming and curing of the polyurethane foam more stable, and the adhesion between the foam and the surface of the plate is more firm, which reduces the foam spots and bubbles to a certain extent. The upper and lower belt panels are made up of a set of chain plates that are approximately 200 mm wide. Driven by a variable speed motor through a gearbox, the speed can be automatically adjusted to maintain synchronization between the upper and lower belt. The lower belt is fixed in position, while the upper belt can be adjusted in height by an electronic control hydraulic jack to ensure a constant thickness on the composite panel. Belt machine frame, chain plate and other parts are machined by large gantry machining center to ensure that the flatness error of belt is less than 0.03 mm after installation. These chain plates are connected with wear-resistant bearings to form a high-strength chain drive system with high precision and good quality.